Yeah, and Grace are gonna look breadfruit. Yeah. Yeah, look at this, guys. Beautiful. Wow. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful, Grace. What you like it? Yeah. Look at the duck's nest. And that thing right there, my mom usually raised chicken in it. That thing right there, yeah. I got those from the garment factory. This is her whole sewing machine right here. Wow, look at that. The belt is still on it. Look at that. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Up in the Hills. One more time, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, press that notification bell, that whenever I drop a video, you won't miss it. So guys, we're going on a little journey this morning. I'm gonna show you the house that I grew up in. Yeah, all crumbling right now. Yeah, it's in a bad shape. Yeah, so hold on. Yeah, yeah. The door is peeling off. Yes, they put that there to stop the water. You have to block off this. Look at this. I put this there right there. This been there for how many years? MRR. Yeah. Painted it because we didn't want nobody outside steering in there. I guess somebody nail up a piece of plywood there. Yeah. Yeah, I remember my father put up these windows. Yeah, they tore off the next one. Yeah. Wow. Bring back so much memories, man. Yeah. This guy is looks like it has in duck's nest. Yeah. Even the whole curtain is still there. Look at that. I remember this curtain vividly, man. Look at this. They batten it up also. Somebody got it up as a grill. These are the original window blades. I remember them vividly. They normally fall easy to fall out. I would normally put them back in. Yeah. Look at this, swollen over time. Yeah. We normally go up there to pick berries. Yeah. See what around here look like. Yeah, that's it. Wow. Yeah guys, this is the house I grew up in. Still have some fun memories of it, man. Man, I tell you. And right there is where we had to build a kitchen. We built it on this tree right here. This is the wild cherry tree. Yeah. Put a zinc roof on it and put a piece of chicken mesh on one side to vent out the smoke. I don't know if we can still find any ashes there. It has been so many years. And there was a little grung right there. And this line has been here for, oh, look at this, guys. This line has been here from ever since, man. Look at it, it's still here. Unbelievable. And the same 2 3. Yeah, unbelievable. Yeah. Bring back memories, man. Bring back memories, yeah. And we would sit right there and watch. We would know the standpipe was right here. This was the standpipe. Standpipe was right here. And we had 2 metal drums I think this is one of them. Yeah, yeah, right here. This is one of them. The bottom was rotted out, so my father cast it with cement. So this is the testament of one of them. Yeah, right here still. It's still on it. It's still on it right here. Yeah, this is one of the old steel drums. Yeah, right here. Here it is. So the stanchion pipe was right there, and we would wash our clothes right in this vicinity. Because back then we didn't have washing machine or anything like that. So this is where we would wash. You can see this is probably the soaps, the whole soaps come right here. Yeah, this is where we would take a bath also. Yeah, this thing right here is a testament. This is where the pipe was, man. We would wash right here. There was 2 drums. When water is gone, we would have the drums right here. We would put up a zinc in it, and it would catch water from the roof. Yeah, and it would fill them up, because sometimes the water take a while to come back, guys. Look at this. Look at the duck's nest. Yeah, telling you, man, memories, man. And right in here, guys, even though it seemed this way, right here was a little pond. This is where it would fill with water, and we would have fish. And back then I had 2 duck, and they would be right here, man. But the duck would eat out the fishes and you know, enjoying themselves right here. A little pond was right there. And this is where my father would retrieve water when there's no water to do work on the house. Yeah. Remember this mango tree, man. Look at it. Even the piece of rope is still on it. Look at this. It's dry rotted. Yeah. Wow. Unbelievable. Yeah. Wow. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna show you something. And that thing right there, my mom usually raised chicken in it. That thing right there, yeah. I got those from the garment factory. Yeah, I think those are some bakery shelf. I brought them home, and my mom used them to make a chicken coop. We were raising chicken in them, guys. Yeah, and this is her whole sewing machine right here. Wow, look at that. The belt is still on it. Look at that. Wow. Unbelievable. Wow, this is her whole sewing machine, guys. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, there it is, guys. Yeah, that's the house we all grew up in, man. That is it right there. And I have a lot of fun memories of this house right here. Mother is making breakfast right there. We would sit right here waiting for her to finish cook, or some of us would be sitting on the flat rock right here. Sometimes I'll just sit on the step and eat my breakfast. Yeah. Unbelievable, man. Right there was the kitchen. Right there was the kitchen, man. Unbelievable. Yeah. Man, but to God be the glory, man. Great things he has done. Unbelievable. I remember I had painted this. I had painted this wall. Yeah, but you can see that time has taken its number on it. It's eating away the paint. Yeah. Man, I tell you. Yeah, this is where I grew up, guys. This is the old family house. This is the old family house right here, man. Unbelievable. Yeah. Yeah, I just say that I would take you guys on a little tour You know, when I come back home, sometimes I just go up there and I sit, you know, just to bring back memories of my childhood. Yeah. But I don't know. To God be the glory. That is it right there. As I said, I don't know what the family gonna have to come to an agreement of what to do, what we're gonna do with it. Yeah. Yeah. Hey Grace, what's up? You alright? You heard me talking to the viewers. What's up? You alright? You good? Uh-huh. And this is my little guard dog right here, Grace. Say good morning, Grace. You're not saying good morning. Say good morning to the viewers. You're not saying good morning. Yeah, this is my guard dog right here. Bad dog. You're not saying good morning. Say good morning to the viewers. Say good morning. Not saying good morning. Hmm? Not saying nothing. Come on, let's go look breadfruit, Grace. Yeah, and Grace, I go look breadfruit. Yeah. Yay! Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Wow. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful, Grace. What you? You like it? Yeah. It's all young or boiling breadfruit. I don't see any roasting one. This look like it can boil also. Like it's turn a roasting. Look at it. Yeah. It's getting there. It's getting there. Grace, you want to pick the breadfruit, Grace? It smell like a roast. A roasting breadfruit. You smell it? The one you can roast? No. Yeah. I don't see any roasting one, guys. It's so windy up here. Hey, take a walk. There you go. You good? You good, Grace? You look good? Alright. Come on. Let's go down. You see some breadfruit on the tree. Come. Come on, let's go down. Thanks for coming on my little tour of the old family house. Up in the hills. Yeah. So until I see you again on the next journey, guys. Hey. Tell them bye, Grace. You're not telling everybody bye. Huh? Say bye. You're not saying bye. Yeah. So guys, you have yourself a good one. Be blessed, be safe. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Hit that post notification bell that whenever I drop a video, you won't miss it. Alright? Grace, what's wrong? Grace look like she's hungry.